BlectorMold is located in Changzhou, Jiangsu Province, a hub for modern manufacturing in the Yangtze River Delta. Since its establishment, Blector Group has been deeply engaged in the field of injection mold design, manufacturing, and injection molding processing. BlectorMold strives to provide comprehensive solutions for injection mold design, production, and processing services. With a highly trained, educated, skilled, and experienced design, R&D team, and manufacturing team, we Blector can design conventional and customized injection mold with an economical and repeatable solution. Our factory is equipped with CNC machining centers, high-speed engraving and milling machines, computer spark machines, lathes, grinders, drilling machines, wire cutting machines, and other precision mold processing equipment, and two-dimensional and three-dimensional professional testing equipment. At the same time, the injection molding workshop has more than 20 sets of 160-ton to 400-ton injection molding machines, which can meet the injection molding needs of customers for single-color plastic products. Up to now, we have provided injection mold design, manufacturing, and injection molding processing services to many well-known enterprises, span a wide range of industries, including electric vehicle parts, power tools, lamp and lights, home appliances, car parts, and electrical components. Guided by the philosophy of focus, innovation, technology, and win-win, we meticulously refine our craft, navigate challenges with determination, and embrace the future with confidence and vision, striving to lead the high-end era of mold processing and injection molding.